Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another hair video. So in today's video, I'll be doing an aloe vera, olive oil and mixture of honey treatment for extreme hair growth. Do not ask me where I got this from, guys. It's my own DIY, but I also watch a lot of Fayette's channel. As you can see, I got a lot of fresh, clean aloe vera and I've already cut it in half, in pieces. I'll be putting in 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil and 1 spoon of honey. Honey is very good for your hair. Aloe vera is very extremely good for your hair, and olive oil, and the mixture of that would be just great. As you can see now, my aloe vera is freshly clean and cut, and I'm just gonna scoop out all the gel from all the aloe vera so it can make it easier for me to blend it and add all the mixtures together. So now I'm just transferring all my aloe vera in my blender. I'm going to separately blend this because I don't want it to be mixed with the olive oil and the honey, because I still have to strain them, and I feel like straining them while there's honey and oil in it removes some of the ingredients, you see. So I don't want to mix it together. I'm just going to blend this separately and strain this separately, guys. Please remember to strain your aloe vera separately, because like, look at that, all that gel could be stuck in your hair for weeks, and I will still strain it again using my scarf. If you have a stocking, you can always use it, but as you can see, the aloe vera leftover gel, the stuff, you don't want to have that in your hair stuck in for weeks. Now I'm just going to put back in my aloe vera juice, then I put the 1 spoon of honey in, and then I will go in with the 1 spoon of olive oil, and I will blend that together. Now I'm done with the blending, and I'm just going to transfer my mixture back into my spray bottle. As you can see, bear in mind, guys, this does not smell nice. Like, I'll be straight on honest with you, it smells horrible, and working with aloe vera is always a mess. My hair is beautifully sectioned in 5 parts, and now I'm going to go in with the aloe vera straight into my scalp, because guys, it's a growth oil. And guys, like, ooh, aloe vera tastes so horrible. I do not understand how my father literally blends and drink aloe vera. Like, it was horrible, like, yo, it was terrible. But anywho, I'm going in with the aloe vera mixture into my scalp, because you guys know that the scalp is most where the actual growth happens, like, where the magic happens. So I'm mainly focusing on my scalp. I am going to go into my hair as well, into the onto the hair itself, but I'm focused more on my edges, because you can see the edges is gone. Alright, let's talk about the benefits of each product. So aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly, but which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Means you can also treat your wounds. Then the honey leaves your hair feeling smooth and soft. It makes your hair shiny, guys, because after this my hair was beautiful and my hair was shiny. And olive oil basically is just very good for hair growth. Like, olive oil has these like, olive oil have major moisturizing effect. Olive oil could add softness and strengthen hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. The shine said to come from olive oil may be due to the oil soothing and outer cuticle of the hair. Like, olive oil is just super amazing, and it's one of my most favorite hair product. Like, I can use olive oil, I can run out of leave-in conditioner, shampoo, you name it, but if I got my olive oil, then I am good. Like, I am good. I did not just use this as a growth treatment, guys. I also used it as a detangler. It is good for detangling. I feel like the honey does the job here. Like honey is doing the things in this a whole ingredient thing. So that was the remains, and now I'm going in with a plastic bag over my head because I did not have a shower cap or whatsoever it's called. I will sit like this for 45 exactly minutes or an hour. I'm just gonna walk around the house, do some chores and stuff. After this, I'll be having a regular normal wash day routine. So this is me after wash day, after everything, after lock, whatever LCO method. And look, my hair is good, my hair feels great, my hair feels soft, my hair feels shiny, it looks shiny, and I'm happy. And I'll be using this treatment for the whole year and see where it takes me. But other than that, thank you so much, honeys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.